There's a feeling you can't fake, a kind of effortless confidence that starts long before you say a word. It's not something you force, it's not something you chase, it's something you step into. When everything just feels right, you see it in the way people carry themselves, the way they move, the way they show up without overthinking it. And most of the time, it's the small details that create that feeling. Your hair is one of them. Not perfect hair, not overstyled, overworked, or forced into something it's not, but hair that moves naturally, hair that has texture, shape, control, without looking like you tried too hard to get it there. Because the truth is, most people aren't working with their hair. They're working against it. Too much product, the wrong product, heavy formulas that sit on the surface, killing movement, flattening everything, making the hair feel stiff, lifeless, disconnected, or the opposite. Products that do nothing at all, no control, no structure, no ability to shape the hair into something that actually holds. And that's where everything starts to fall apart. Because it's never just about the haircut, it's never just about the style. It's about what you do with it, every single day. Beach House was created to change that, inspired by the natural texture of sea salt, and built using high-quality ingredients designed to work with your hair, not against it. Lightweight, pliable, effortless to break down. From the moment it hits your hands, you feel the difference. No heaviness, no stickiness, no resistance. Just a clean, smooth texture that disappears exactly the way it should, so it can do what it's meant to do. It starts at the root. That's where shape is created. That's where volume lives. That's where the foundation of everything begins, not on the surface, not just on the ends, but deep where the hair needs support, lift, and direction. You don't need more product. You need the right amount, placed in the right areas, with intention. Break it down completely in your hands. Work it through evenly. Let it distribute naturally, instead of forcing it into place. Then build, slowly, intentionally. Let the texture come to life. Let the hair start to respond. You'll feel it, you'll see it. The movement changes. The shape starts to form. And suddenly, everything looks different. This is where most products fail. They lock the hair into one position. They create stiffness. They remove the natural flow that makes hair look real. Beach House does the opposite. It gives you a matte finish with flexibility, control, without restriction, the ability to shape your hair and then reshape it again throughout the day without losing what you created in the first place. Because real life isn't static. You move, you adjust, you go from one environment to another, and your hair should be able to move with you without falling apart, without needing to start over. That's the difference. Short styles gain definition without looking overly styled. Longer textures hold their shape without collapsing. Natural waves are enhanced, not forced. Every style becomes more of what it's supposed to be, and just as important, how it feels. Soft to the touch, never dry, never brittle, never overloaded, with a light, clean fragrance that stays subtle, never overpowering, just enough to feel fresh and finished. Because at the end of the day, it's not just about how your hair looks, it's how it makes you feel. When your hair sits right, you don't think about it. You don't adjust it every 5 minutes. You don't second guess it when you walk into a room. You don't wonder if it's holding up. You just move. You focus on what matters. You show up differently. That's confidence. Not forced, not exaggerated, not performative. Real, effortless, consistent. Beach House was designed for that feeling. Freedom in how you wear your hair, flexibility in how you style it, and that effortless energy that never looks overdone, but always looks right. No shortcuts, no compromises. Vegan, cruelty-free, made in the USA. This is Beach House. Get your bottle today.